Vintorio Wine Aerator Pourer Premium Aerating Pourer Decanter Spout. This pourer does all the work for you, and all you have to do is pour yourself a glass of wine. It has a large aerating chamber and the Bernoulli Effect air intake system that infuses your wine with oxygen. The best Vintorio Wine Aerator Pourer has a rubber stopper creating a leak-free seal for all size bottles. It has a notched acrylic pour spout that's ergonomically slanted, allowing easy pouring. Made of high-quality FDA-approved materials, the Aerator is entirely safe to use. Plus, its elegant design makes it an excellent gift for all wine lovers you know. You won't have to aerate your wine in a separate room before serving it, since you'd probably want to show it to people. To clean it up, simply disassemble and run it under water. The Vintorio Wine Aerator Pourer Premium Aerating Pourer Decanter Spout is the best wine aerator to make cheap wine taste like you paid good money for it. It's easy to use, elegant, and an excellent addition to every wine-loving household.